Laguna Clothing, since the year 2006, has established itself as a premium provider of clean and pristine shirts in formal, semi-formal, and smart casual categories. We are certified by ISO 26000, GOTS, BCI, and others. Commencing the factory tour with the boardroom, which is equipped with video conferencing facility for business meeting and virtual calls. Shirts from fine count formals to knits and denims are displayed in the boardroom to exhibit our range of products. Heading towards the training room. We believe in training inexperienced operators to instill the ethics of our quality from day one. All 1,600 operators coming from more than 50 villages around the factory are trained by our expert mentors during a 21-day training program, which includes theory, practical, and on-floor training. The machinists and non-machinists are selected through numerous tests like hand-eye coordination, paper, and fabric exercises. The trainees are also shown visual and on-floor demonstration of operations for better understanding. Since the foundation, our manufacturing is aligned with lean practices, reduction of non-value added activities through value stream mapping, creating just-in-time culture, and developing Kaizen culture are few of the tools we have implemented as a lean practice. Lot of effort has been put for low-cost automation and in-house digitalization tools. As a responsible corporate, we are compliant with the laws and regulations of each country in which we operate. We will now visit different departments involved in the manufacturing of the shirt. The warehouse is incorporated with modern warehousing and material handling concept. Following the lean concept of just-in-time, we store inventory of fabric for up to 8 days and trims from 2 to 5 days. To reduce risk factor, fabric and trims are inspected at source and random quality checks are carried out in the factory. This is our quality lab for carrying out physical tests like button pull strength, tensile, carton bursting, tearing strength, GSM, and fabric shade variation to ensure quality from the very inception. Moving towards the CAD room, which is well equipped with softwares like Rich Piece for pattern making and auto nesting. To optimize fabric utilization, we use OptaCut, which is an automated roll management software. We now head towards the cutting floor, where spreading, cutting, stickering, and bundling operations take place. To ensure precision in matching, we use laser light for checks and stripes. The cutting area is facilitated with the finest cutting tools like band knife, straight knife, and others. This is our in-house die making unit for dies used during interlining cutting of collar and cuff. This helps us to improve time and cost efficiency. The best quality interlining fusing machines runs on accurate temperature, pressure, and time in accordance with different customer interlining requirements. Moving towards the embroidery unit, we have sourced 12-head and 6-head Japanese-built embroidery machines to execute brand logo embroideries on the different parts of the shirts. Our in-house folder making facility provides prompt solutions on the sewing floor. We have also sourced automatic slitting machine for interlining and piping. Heading towards the sewing floor, which consists of 8 lines, with each line having independent part and assembly section setup. The sewing floor is equipped with latest machines and technologies, where each and every part of the shirt is digitally monitored. All machines are engineered with operation-specific folders. We have special purpose machines like collar point machine to ensure sharp collar points for quality. The combination of best modern technologies and years of experience in manufacturing helps in delivering shirts of excellent quality and craftsmanship. We use modern material handling systems for streamlining the process. Each and every shirt is inspected minutely by a trained quality team before packaging. We use specialized machines for collar and cuff pressing to maintain their perfect shape. Presentation is the most important aspect of a well-crafted shirt. Each shirt is ironed and packed with perfection as per the required customer standard and examined under laser light to check symmetry and alignment of the packed shirt. A dedicated customer satisfaction officer conducts a thorough final audit at acceptance quality level. Incorporating sustainable practices, we use wood-fired briquettes instead of heavy oils for steam generation and power backup. We have installed solar panels as a source of clean and renewable energy. Our medical room is directly connected to the nearby hospitals, and a full-time doctor and nurse are available for employee health and safety. We serve hygienic food made in our in-house kitchen and offer free transportation and pet service to the employees. As the factory is located 60 kilometers away from the city, we have a guest room to cater food and stay for the guests. Laguna Clothing, improve fashion every day.